Hey boos, so it finally happened. I started a YouTube channel. Thank you so much for coming along with me on this journey where coffee meets DIY. For our very first project, we're going to be tackling an office makeover. Office was becoming a storage dump. I was uninspired, so I wasn't using it. Everything, you name it, will just get dumped in here. But now, the space is so beautiful, I can dance! Full disclaimer though, I can't nay-nay, I can't Dougie, but I can baby shark like a mother. Please subscribe. Okay, I also can't sing, but subscribe, comment, share. Oh, and remember to hit that like button. You can also smash it if that's what you're into. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Oh, it's that way. You come with me. Unfortunately, my poor office has just gone to heck. What is going on here? Let's go. And just like that, it's done. That must have taken all of 2 seconds. Don't judge me, guys. I promise I had a good idea when I made that wall. Exhibit A, Exhibit B. But after I did it, I no longer liked it, so I scrapped the idea. Oh, that chair. No amount of coffee can save this chair. I think I'll have to throw it away. Back to the cleaning montage. From Walmart, and typically they're supposed to come with those like standoffs, but these are the tools that it came with. It has like the standoff caps, but no standoff tool piece. I'm going to try it. If it doesn't work, I might just order some gold standoffs from Amazon because I was going to spray paint these anyway. But I suggest that you'll get someone to help you hold it. It's a glass board and one slip of a finger. So please don't try this at home. Well, don't try this alone, and don't try this without lots of coffee. The glass board came with these little weak anchors. I'm not going to use that. I have some anchors that I picked up from Walmart. I've had them for a while. There's like almost no anchors left. I've been using it to like store other stuff. This is a fail. I can't get it off, so. Anyways, these inkers, I like them because they go right into the wall with just your drill. Let's go. Okay, let's get it. So it's pretty simple. For each shelf, we're just going to make like an L, and then we're going to add like a little lip in front. This one. Yeah, like a little lip. Ta-da! Easy peasy. Let's get it. This is the new desk I'm going to be using in my office. It's great, it's large, but it has no kind of storage. I found some inspiration online. I like the little boxed look, so I'm going to go ahead and mirror that. I went ahead and I built the top for it. I will do a tutorial in a later video. But here I am putting on the new top that I built. Ooh! It is exactly what I had in mind. I think it's going to fit great in my office transformation. And let's get back to this video. Ooh. Done with this office makeover. I'm on like my 4th cup of coffee this past hour alone. My world is totally spelling. Just kidding. This is empty. I just have a natural high. But actually, I haven't had my coffee yet. Have you? No? Then what are we waiting for? Cue the coffee montage. Bow.